Namaste, good afternoon. How's it going, all of you beautiful people out there? We're back with another one. We're still in
Pokhara.
Yeah. So we're starting off another day. Got a few things that we need to do. First things first, gotta get this changed. We got a pull. It's a bit,
got a bit of a dodgy one.
Yeah.
Sticking out at the bottom. It doesn't feel very new. It's really scratched as well. We didn't see it last night. Oops.
So we're going to take it to the shop, return that. Got some washing, laundry that we need to do as well. So going to take that out. Yeah, all of the fun things in life that you got to sort out. However, making our way down. We're staying at this hostel called Pokhara Backpackers Hostel. It is amazing. Love it. On the top floor. Guess what? The weather today is not too bad. It stopped raining. The cloud looks like it's lifting, it's clearing off a little bit. In the distance, we could see snow-covered mountains. Woo! We're literally on the top floor, so
It's like a trek just to get down.
we're still making our way down.
I've done like 5,000 steps today just because I've gone up and down 3 times. So.
Everything in Nepal is preparing us for the trek that we will be going on in a few days' time. So we are literally on the top floor there. Let's do this. We're walking through the bar. Oh yeah. This is the space down here. Actually love it. You got your beers and things here. Got a snazzy little joint down here as well. So we had breakfast this morning, literally at this table. Got some quirky pictures and things down here. Cool space. Got quite nice handicrafts. Yeah, I like this. This is really nice. There's a lot of light that comes in as well, like from here. From that bit there as well. How's it going, guys? You good?
Hello, everything good.
Very good. You can sit down here as well, chill out. You've got plug sockets over there as well, so if you want to like crack on with your work, plug in your laptops with your devices. It's pretty cool. Low tables down here. I like the feel of this place. It is quality. It's called Pokhara Backpackers. Down here by Lakeside. Got a little barbie over there as well. Probably get the fire going here. But yeah.
There's a little like wall murals as well. There was the mountains back there and then like this bit here. On the lake.
Exactly. Did you guys see the wall mural over there with all of the mountain range? I reckon that's the Annapurna circuit. Got this one down here. Oh, this is of the lake. Yes. And also you've got a snazzy unicorn over there. But this is the main one for us, Annapurna circuit. And it gives you an idea, like you start, that's Pokhara down there. And then you can go any which way you want to go. So this is the whole Annapurna circuit that you guys can actually do. So you can go as far or as like short as you want to make your trek. It's literally down to you. There's nothing set in stone down here. Some activities and stuff. So pretty cool place. We've been here a few days. Love it. We would highly recommend that when you guys are down here, consider staying here. The hosts have been really nice. The guy that owns the place, Ashish, top lad. A guy in reception, Sam. If you're watching this, big shout out to you as well, bro. Good man. All right, here's where we're going. So, as we were saying, first things first, got to get rid of that back there.
Laundry.
The good thing down here in Nepal is you can literally get laundry done anywhere. You don't have to worry about it. Like the last country that we visited, Bangladesh, loved you guys, but there was no laundry there whatsoever. So we had to check into Airbnbs to do our laundry over there. Down here, look at that. You've got one there. You've got Namaste laundry. Yes. How much do you charge?
1 kilo 120.
Okay. And when do we get this back?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. What time?
Tomorrow same time.
Same time. Cool. Here we are. It's as easy as that. You've got places here. So you've got signs literally everywhere. You've got a laundry service here. You've got a laundry service there. They do express service, 3 hours, half day, full day, whatever you want. Where you want, something basic, not in a rush or anything. We're still in Pokhara for a few days, so it's fine. Thank you, Dhanyawad. See you tomorrow.
Now's the fun part. Now it's lunchtime.
We're gonna go look for something that we haven't tried in Nepal yet. So we're gonna go look for something more traditional along
Yeah, we're
them
gonna go
lines.
get some Nepali food, some good food, and we thought we'd take a walk down to the lake again as well, because it's a nice little area. So we thought, why not? It's been a bit rainy this morning. That seems to be the general trend. It's either raining in the morning or raining in the afternoon. But it has been a bit rainy today, and the clouds are really, really low again. So we're not sure if we're gonna get any good views. But do you know what? we're here, so we might as well go and give it a try anyway.
This is the main centre, the strip down here in Pokhara. If you're looking for something to eat, if you want a bar, whatever you want, you can find down here. Trekking gear, to eat something, bars, drinks, food, you name it, you get it. So let's find something traditional down here, because that is exactly what we're after. And I think we've walked up quite an appetite as well. So
Jetto Buddha.
Hansaka, Nepalese restaurant. Okay. Let's see. You got the prayer wheels here. I love these. May all your prayers go straight to heaven. Where can we sit? Do you want to sit there at the table with a view?
So you guys have just sat down. We have a nice little Carolina view. But it's really nice to eat in like an open air restaurant.
The sun's
like
out
it's
at
literally
least.
got, yeah, it's got like all the front bit. Like here obviously there's no windows and everything. And look, there's even blue sky. The sun is out. We've literally not seen the sun in like a few days, a good few days, but it's okay. We have the menu here. We've come to Jetto Buddha. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but they said they've got authentic Nepali cuisine, so we thought, why not? They've got a thali as well, and it's an alright price actually. It's not too bad. Guys, what is a Dido? This one. So Nepali thali, veg thali set Dido, mutton thali set Dido. What is Dido, you guys? Let us know below. Not too sure. We might just try it without even knowing, or we might get just a thali set.
Well, I just asked
don't know. Guys, we need to make a decision on what we're going to order, so give us a minute. Okay, so you guys, I'm just going to show you around the restaurant. It's actually a really cute little place. They've got like all of these little tables here with like a little colourful seat cushion. They've got these as well, like they look like little brass sets kind of thing. We've got like these little seating areas here. These are like flat, like floor. You sit on the floor on like a little cushion here, and then you could be able to sit on like your table there. That's quite cool. And then there's like so much artwork in here as well. And like the wooden beams at the top. It feels like it's got that really nice like older like traditional vibe to it. There's a lot of wood in here as well, and I don't know what this is. It looks like a shelf or something, I don't know. No, this looks like it's like some decorative artwork in it. There's little lanterns around, they're cute too. Very sweet. And then you've got like, again, it's like the wall art along like the edge. Like they seem to love the wall art here. It seems to be a real popular choice, but hey, we're enjoying it so far. This place is really cool, really cute. There's like these little bits on the wall as well. Another like smaller seating area. I guess you can come and sit here if you're like with your family, or if you're like a bigger group of people, then you can go sit there together, enjoy on the floor. It's more like a traditional way to eat with your hands as well. You've got to do it the Nepali way, but yeah, these little cups as well, they're so cute, but they're heavy. They're like brass kind of thing. Okay, food arrived, lassi arrived, food arrived. We have the paneer chili. Paneer, if you don't know, is like a cottage cheese kind of thing. Seems to be really popular as well. We've seen it on the menu all the time here. And we ordered paneer chili, which I guess is just like blocks of like cottage cheese.
It's made out of goat milk as well.
Oh, and goat milk apparently. In like a, I guess a spicy sauce, and it's come with like looks like this.
Yeah, chili
and it's
paneer.
got like some salad, and we have our lassi as well. I'm excited to try it, so here goes. They're hard. Ooh. The sauce is nice, but it's not spicy. I thought it was going to be spicy. And the cheese is like a bit of a thicker like texture than I thought it was going to be. That's actually quite nice. I like that.
You guys let us know, what's the difference between halloumi cheese and paneer?
Very
You guys
good.
are the real experts out there. Comment below, let us know difference between paneer and halloumi. Alright?
I'm going for my second.
I actually really like this. It's really good. It's the best finger food going, guys. Wow, we like it. Let's wait for the main to come out. Let's go.
We had the paneer, now we have the noodles, and we got like just
That's a
chicken
massive
chow mein
portion, by the
actually.
way.
It is, it's huge, but we just got chicken chow mein because we thought why not? We're hungry. And actually, chicken chow mein or chow mein is on the menu in most places down here. Like it's obviously enjoyed quite a lot. Maybe it's from like the Chinese influence, because obviously we border with China here in Nepal. So, don't know, but let's give it a go.
Comes with sauce as well.
Yeah, it does. I don't know if you're supposed to like empty it or whatever, but
Is it passing with flying colours?
Ooh, that's a bit spicy.
What would you give this out of 10?
Out of 10, I would give this a good 9.
Oh wow, alright. That passes with flying colours. Sweet. I'm waiting for my thali to come because I'm getting hungry now. Especially that paneer. Set us up real good, so.
Ooh. Amazing, thank you. This looks pretty cool. What's this? Ghee. Ah, okay. This is ghee on the rice. It's like butter. The thali, you guys, has come over. It looks yummy and it smells really good. I'm not sure if that's like the ghee that he just poured all over the rice. Like it smells really like sweet and almost buttery. But we have, let's start here. I think this is like maybe a chili sauce of some sort. Then we have some achar,
Definitely
maybe pickle.
achar, yeah.
Then we have
Papadum.
little papadum. That is stingy. But we do have a little papadum. Then this may be like a curry. I'm not sure what's inside it. It's got big chunks.
Peas.
Maybe potato
Or maybe paneer.
or paneer, yeah. And then we've got something like, again, I'm not really sure what this is. It looks like almost like a slaw, like a pickle.
I think this might be achar again.
Achar again, or that, yeah. Then we've got, this is dal, maybe?
Definitely dal.
Okay.
I can see a reflection.
Can you?
Yeah.
Hello. Then we've got like a potato and veg thing. Spinach.
Yeah, I guess.
And I don't know.
Crisps?
They look like, yeah, they look crispy. And then
Got more
it looks like spinach, no?
And that's the rice.
Rice in the
Where
middle.
he poured ghee all over it.
Yeah. He poured ghee all over the rice, and I don't know if that's supposed to, like, if that's a normal thing. I'm guessing, but I'm excited to try some. How do you eat it?
With your hand?
Do you mix it all together, or?
No, you go little by little. Like this bowl is heavy.
Is that what you do? Mix it?
I think
Or you just nip it a little bit?
Yeah.
Give it a try. See what you think.
So I'm putting some achar with this. So I've got dal, rice, and a piece of achar. Oh yeah. That's all the paneer cubes. I bet you would love to try that.
Of course.
Let me just try the paneer first. Tastes almost like tofu.
They're big chunks as well, though, actually.
Did you try the paneer? You like it?
Oh my god, that's so good. How have we not tried paneer properly till now? Wow. That
Better late than never.
really yummy. Oh my goodness. That's really nice. And that rice is so like soft. Then my happy dance. This. This is good, guys. What? Let me try the dal. Ooh. Oh my god, that dal's real good.
Mix it up with a bit of paneer as well.
Wow.
Paneer papadum.
A little bit of the sauce from the paneer. Whoa. That is really nice. See you guys in a minute. Okay, so you guys, we have finished up with our Nepali food. It was so tasty, so yummy. We're gonna head out now and go for a little bit of a walk, see if we can walk that off. Thank you very much, Dhanivat. That was some good food for sure. And if you're in the area, then it's on like the main high street kind of road, so you can come treat yourself as well. But just navigating the stairs downstairs, so give me one sec. Make sure I don't fall because the floor's wet, so be careful. It's really slippy. But that was so tasty and pretty affordable as well. It come to just under 1,200, I think. So it was Not bad. It was alright. Now I'm absolutely stuffed. I need to walk slowly just to walk it off. But whew, that was good. So we're gonna, you can see the mountain. Look at the snow. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see that, you guys. Look up there. There's like the snow. It's finally come out. That is amazing. Look at that.
Alright, so on that happy, snowy, fulfilled note, we're going to end the vlog here, guys. It's been a fun one. Enjoyed the thali, enjoyed the Nepalese food. Well, chow mein not so much, that's not Nepalese, but yeah. No. If you have any more suggestions regarding food or places that we should actually go, do keep them coming. We love reading all of your comments. If you guys have enjoyed today's vlog, you know what the deal is. Share with all of your friends and your family. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and we shall see you in
the next one.
Subscribe.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Look at those. Right there and right there. That is sick. And the sky. So pretty.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Cheers, bro.
This is amazing. I'm absolutely shattered though from coming up the steps, but oh my god, look over there.
Oh wow.
Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Then it's like mountains gonna be like all red like that.
So where does the
wow.
sunrise from here, right?
No. It's from this.
Okay, so sunrise is this side,
Right, so it's
and then
going back here.
sunsets. Oh yeah, behind there.
It's gonna
Okay.
come from here.
Got you.
Oh, is this the Shiva temple? Is that up there?
That one.
Aha. Wow, this is crazy. This is beautiful. So we've come up to the rooftop for a nice little sunset. This is so pretty. I could just stand and watch this all day. And like over here, the colour is just so beautiful. But it reflects like off over here as though it's like the golden kind of colour. Wow. Amazing, you guys. Amazing. Oh.